Snapseed, Visca, Photor, PicsArt. If you're using all of these apps, then but if the apps that you will be using, which I am going to compile in this video, then so my first app in this list is called Pixaloop. This app basically lets you create animations on top of regular photos. So you guys must have, I'm 110% sure if you are using Instagram frequently, then you guys must have seen the ads of this app or like apps which are somewhat similar to this on your Insta. So using this app is actually very easy, although it might look a little bit complicated because you're kind of creating a GIF also, but it's not really that difficult to be honest. So you can create a lot of things inside the photo. You can make any particular section of the photo move and dynamic. You can add skies or textures or a lot of other things. Like there are other elements also that you can add, like you can add butterflies or you can add money if you want. And also you can burst bubbles if that's what something you would like to do.
Nice.
I'm sure by using this app, your friends would definitely be impressed. Like, how are you such a pro editor? Okay, you want to be a pro editor? Use this app. So the next one is my favorite. So I'm sure if you are a Marvel or a DC fan, you would also love this app. Basically, this app actually lets you create comic books for real. So just take any regular photo, like take photos of you, your friends, just like acting or whatever you guys are doing, or just take any random photos. For instance, this app will actually let you create comics out of it. Not just the comic caricature editing of your photo, actually create comics. So you can add those text boxes, write text inside it, like literally create a whole comic.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yes, that is possible with this app. You have to use it. I'm sure you guys would have a lot of pretentious friends who pretend to just take random photos of clouds or nature or whatever and they just show it off on Insta as like they're like some great photographers or something. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है? Just after using this app, you can do the same thing and you can actually create better photos than them. So next time when you're out and you see a beautiful scenery or something, you can use this app to edit it and even make it much more better than what it actually is. So as the name suggests, this app only focuses on adding light into your photo. So like you can add lights at various places and it's very minute changes, but actually they matter a lot, okay? It's the little things that matter the most, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, boy.
So definitely give this app a try because this is going to take your nature photos to another level, okay? So as the name suggests, this app is actually meant for all the people who love food. On Insta, 83% of the photos are photos of food. This is actual statistics which I researched and it is definitely not something that I'm just coming up with on my own, okay? 83% of the people upload photos of food.
You liar!
Anyways, so as the app knows that you are a foodie and you love clicking pictures of food, and it also knows that it is difficult to take photos of food while you are eating food or if you have like good food in front of you. So the app ka interface is so simple that you literally have to swipe. So this is just like swiping and you'll change the filters. So imagine if Tinder was for food. So if you just want to get a better pic of the food.
Nice.
So just like Tinder, you will swipe left and swipe right and your food will look even more aesthetic and pleasing to other people and even to you. So even there are a lot of presets and everything that you can include in your food photo so that your food would look even more appealing and more delicious and definitely improve your photo to another level. So even if you're not clicking photos of food, you can still use these apps for editing other photos because this has a lot of presets as I said earlier and you literally just have to swipe to change all of them. So it would definitely make your photo a lot more pleasing and aesthetic. Okay, before you say that everyone knows this app, I know everyone knows this, but I have made a really good tutorial on Canva and how you can really create much better photos. So you can check that out over here because that tutorial is amazing. You will learn a lot about it and you can even up your Insta game with this app. Plus, just a small secret, I actually make all of my thumbnails through Canva. So if you're an upcoming YouTuber or like just want to create anything, Canva is the app you should go for. Canva is the app you should go for. I repeat, Canva is the app you should go for. So 99% of the people I'm sure don't know about this app. This is such an amazing app, but the thing is that it is actually not present on Google Play Store. Yes, so you would have to download it from third party. How to get it, what are the functionalities and everything, you can see the video over here and you would know like there are a lot of awesome apps which are not on Google Play Store, but you have to use them, and this is just one of them. So basically this will up your screenshots game to another level. So generally what we do is we just click the screenshots and send it over to them. But if you would have seen product images or like on professional websites, the screenshots are overlaid on phones and they look like 3D or like aesthetically pleasing and whatever. You guys already can see on the screen what I'm talking about. Yes, it is very simple to create. There are hundreds of templates that you can use. You don't have to make a lot of things manually. Just attach your screenshot over there and it would just make it 32 times awesome. Exactly 32 times. Okay? Finally, this one is for all the girls out there. I don't know how much female audience I have, but if you have sisters, friends, girlfriends, teachers, moms, whatever, you can forward this app to them. Wow, this is so sexist because it's about beauty and everything. Even guys can use it, okay? I'm not being sexist. If you want to look beautiful, you can look beautiful, okay?
इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ मैं.
This app is actually completely opposite to what I stand for. I prefer natural beauty as the main thing. And this app only enhances your looks, it contours your face, reduces the size of your nose or whatever that you feel your physical blemishes are. So if you are a bit insecure about yourself, then do give this app a try, but I feel that you should work on your personal insecurity more than this app, okay? Because this app is not actually going to fix you. And I'm not going to start a pravachan now, but it's actually my job to tell you about this app, that's why I'm doing it. The app is called Looks, and as the name suggests, it just focuses on your looks. It feeds on all the insecurity that everyone has. Use this app and see it for yourself. Also, don't actually give it to your girlfriends, as I said in the start. Just use it if you like it. Like, it's totally your choice, okay? It's your choice.
This is my choice.
So these were some of the most amazing photo editing apps that are new in 2020 and you don't find a lot of people using it out there. So if you did not like this video, smash that dislike button, and in case if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name's Kaushal. Peace out.